performer. That's what I've been doing for the past 25 years. So that's what I'm going to do tonight. Dumugo man ang ilong ko! Dalayan ito ng puso ko sama. Pasensya na po kayo, ha? Kinareer ko po talaga yung makabalik on stage. Because I wanted so much to be perfect for you tonight, guys. I really wanted to be. Of all the days na magkakasakit po ako, syempre today pa. Hindi ka na mag-iisa. Guys, right now I really don't know what to do. Nothing is coming. I promise when I get better, I will do the same show for free. So keep your tickets. I want you to be here. And I will show you how it should be done.
Vintage na Regine. Ito yung hinahanap ng tao na Regine. Ito talaga yung gusto nila marinig yung boses ni Regine. Kasi bumalik na. It really feels like a different show.
This time around, I hope that she'll really live up to what she said, that she'll really show how the concert is being done.
Flawless singing, syempre Songbird, nonetheless, number 1.
We're excited to see the show, Reg. We know it's going to be the way you wanted it to be in the first place, so break a leg.
Bagong lahat, okay? Alam natin na nangyari last time. We are a witness of a miracle. I think it's God's will to again produce another show, which is happening today.
My mistake the first show was I wanted to prove to everybody that I still have it, that I can still sing. And that wasn't the whole point of this celebration. The point of this celebration is to glorify God. So that's what we're going to do tonight.
Correct. Amen.
Well, alam ko yung excitement. Baka sila 1 million times mas excited sila dahil obviously fan sila ni Regine. And salamat sa suporta ninyo kay Regine.
I'm excited kasi marami pang numbers na hindi nakikita yung mga tao. So hopefully ma-enjoy talaga nila kasi ito naman talaga yung gusto kong gawin talagang ma-entertain yung mga audience natin.